Our task in this video is to draw a square, or a simple town square, we can say. So I would like to start from the beginning, so write everything from the start. So I would like to write from turtle, import turtle, and what was the second thing? You are correct, screen. Okay, so now we need to create a turtle. I don't know, I will call it Harry again, and big T, and we will create a turtle like this. Okay, perfect. After that we will create a scene, so it means screen like this. You can call it here screen or scene or whatever you want. Screen dot exit on click, so it means if I click on the screen it ends. Okay, it will shut it down. So perfect. So now we have a turtle, we have a screen. So I can run it. You can see we have an arrow. Okay, perfect. I will click and it's end. It's exit on click. Perfect. I like it. So now, if you want, it's up to you. You can change Harry shape turtle, and I would put here Harry color green. Okay, some basic code. So the turtle, now the shape will not be arrow, it will be turtle, and the turtle will be green. So I will run it. You can see we have a turtle and it's green. Perfect, I like it. So now our goal is to create a square. So at first I would like to create a without cycle. Okay, and in the next video we will create with cycle. So how you can create a square? It's very simple, right? So Harry needs to go forward. For example, I don't know, 50. I will run it. Maybe 100. It's up to you. You can be a big square, small square. Okay, 100. After that, I need that the Harry needs to turn left or right. It depends where you want to write the square. So for example, right, and it should be no, sorry, 90 degrees, correct? So 90 degrees, it means it goes like this. Okay, it goes this or here, and here the angle is 90 degrees, correct? So now Harry go forward again about 100. I will run it. Okay, we have 1/2. After that, again, Harry has to turn right about 90 degrees and go forward again. 100 will be the distance. Okay, we are already there. So now the turtle has to turn right again about 90 degrees, correct? 90 degrees will be here, and go forward. So again, Harry right 90 degrees and go forward, and the distance will be 100 again. Okay, perfect, I like it. Okay, so our goal was to create a square, and it's done. Perfect.